Welcome to my Vedic Maths class. In today's class, I will discuss Vedic multiplication vertically and crosswise, where I will discuss how to multiply 4-digit numbers. So here you can see we have 1231 to be timed by 2112. So the method that we follow, I have written them in steps and I will try to explain you each and every step that is to be followed. So first of all, we will start with extreme left and we will multiply this 1 and 2, and that gives us 2. And that 2 I have written over here. Next we will take next two pairs, 1 2 and 2 1. Again we will cross multiply 2 times 2 and 1 times 1. So 2 times 2 is 4, as you have seen, and 1 times 1 is 1, and then we will add it, so that gives us 5. Write 5 after 2. Now we will take 3 digits, 3 at the top and 3 at the bottom. We started with 1, then we took second step, we took 2, and in the third step we will take 3, and again we will multiply cross multiplication. So 2 times 3, that gives us 6, 1 times 2, that gives us 2, and 1 times 1, that gives us 1, and then we will add them. So we get 6 plus 2 plus 1, that is 9, and we will write 9 over here. Next is, we will take all the 4 and again we will do cross multiplication. So 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 1 is again 2, and then we will add them. So we get 9. 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, that is 9. So in the fourth step we will write 9. In the fifth step we will take last 3, 2 3 1 and 1 1 2, and we will again cross multiply 2 times 2, that is 2 times 2 is 1 times 1, that is 1, then 1 times 3, that is 3, and 2 times 2, that is 4. So adding them we get 8. So I have written 8 over here. In sixth step we will take last 2. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 plus 6 is 7. So 7 we have written over here. And finally last step, 1 and 2, so we will multiply it. So 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 we have written over here. So 2599872, that is our answer. Let us discuss another example to understand it better. In this example, we have another question, 1212 times 2240. So we will follow the same process. 1 and 2, we will start with 1 and 2, step 1, we will multiply it, and that is 1 and 2 is 2, and the result I have written over here. Then we will take these two pairs, 1 2 and 2 2, and then cross multiply as shown here. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2, and then add them, that gives us 6. So write 6 here, second step. Third step, you take 3 pairs, and I have shown over here. So you multiply 2 and 1, that gives you 2. 2 and 2, that gives you 4, and 1 and 1, that gives you 1, and result is 7. So write 7. I have written here 7. Step 4. Take a look, very careful look. Cross multiply and you multiply the digits that are diagonally opposite. So 2 times 2 here, that gives you 4. Again 2 times 1, that gives you 2. Again 1 times 2, that gives you 2. And 4 times 1, that gives you 4. And add them together, you get 12. So I have written 12 like this, as I taught it in the previous video. Whenever you get double digit, you have to write it like this. Next, we will take last 3 digits, 212 and 214, as you can see here, and follow the same process which we followed in step 3. Cross multiply. 2 times 2, that gives you 4. 1 times 1, that gives you 1, and 4 times 2, that gives you 8, and add them together, you get 13, and write 13 like this. Next step, take last 2 digits, 1 2 and 1 4, as you can see, cross multiply and add. So 4 times 1 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So that 6 is written over here, that you can see. And finally, last pair 2 and 4, so multiply them and you get 8. Write 8 here. And finally you add all 8, 6, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 7 plus 1, 8. This is 6. This is 2. So that is our answer. This is our answer. It seems a bit lengthy, but if you practice, with practice you can master this, and you can do in maximum 10 to 14 seconds. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. Do like and share it also. And finally, I also want to let you know that we conduct online classes for SAT, GRE, GMAT, Olympiad Math, Math Count, MOEMS, Mathematics. We teach all boards worldwide, and Science all boards worldwide. You can always contact us on our website scitutors.in. Thank you. See you in the next video.